Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing today? I am here again for a new video reaction, and I don't know if my voice is coming out properly. Let me check. Okay, I think we are good to go. So we are here for a new video reaction, just trying to go through some of the things that is going on, and especially responding to some of the comments on my comment section. When I started, I said that I will pay more attention or close attention to my comment section. Why? I want to know what you think and what you feel. The reason is because I don't want to, say something without listening to other people's opinions. That does not mean that I have to agree with you. Do you understand? And I'm not saying what I'm saying for you to agree with me. We are exchanging ideas. It's left for you to learn from it or use it to develop or organize your abuse. This is not that this is not to say that I'm not open for you to say what you want to say. I don't block people. I block you when my spirit said I should block you, I will block you. And so far, only one person have received block since I started on this channel. Only one person. And more may follow later, but for now, no. So why I pay more attention to comment section is because I want to listen to the ideas and the way people see, what is going on or what we are discussing. I can ignore the comment section and keep on posting videos. It's possible. But I felt like it's important for me to sometimes go through comment section. Some of you have actually criticized me on that. Oh, you are now agitating for freedom. We after telling you that I'm not agitating for you. I'm not a freedom fighter. I'm not agitating anything. I've told you that I'm not agitating. I am not your activist. I'm not a freedom fighter. I'm creating content based on what is going on. Why do I say so? Because I don't know your own division of content creation. I don't know your division of activism or freedom fighters. I don't know how you define it. My own definition, I am not qualified to do that yet. I'm not qualified. And many of you having an activist on your bio, I don't see you as a freedom fighter based on my own definition of freedom fighter. The only freedom fighter that I know, PM Mazda Monekan so far. Okay, Nkere is not even a freedom fighter. COS is not. For now, they are not. CS is more closer. So don't that you mount the Biafran flag beside you and put your name as Biafra does not qualify you as a freedom fighter. In my own definition of freedom fighters, I don't know about your own definition. So this is all I can say about it. So don't see it as, oh, you are here as a spy because you said you are not fighting for freedom. When I read this kind of comments, I will be laughing because you don't understand what it takes to be a freedom fighter. That's why you guys can think that you can sell your message easily to people, and at the same time you expect people to buy it as fast as you are selling it. No, personally, I know. So my own is to tell you the truth that this is what I am doing. This is who I am. I'm not here to pretend to you, without us, we are the pusher, we are the mover, we are the no. I don't do that. If those of them that are very, very eager to bear the name freedom fighter, we move, we stand, we shake, we destroy, and we build. They are the one that opposing threat on the real freedom fighters. They are the one that want to make things look like they are the next. But when it comes to something that matters, that what a freedom fighter do, they will be shaking and using that opportunity to project the freedom to acquire wealth. Real freedom fighters don't wealth is nothing to them. They see wealth as one of the last thing that they can achieve. How many of them can do that? So I have my reasons. This video is not about telling you what it takes to be a freedom fighter. So I don't want to deviate. Now, the video that I made just a few hours ago, the last video before this one, I got comments that worth sharing, and I'm here to share some of them. Like I said, why I'm sharing that is not to promote violence. I don't support violence or attack on anybody. But for us to be able to connect the dots, that we have been here before and we have seen this in the past. One of the things that DOS are known for, one of their what is the word? One of their propensity, like what they are known for, their inbuilt character is unleashing attack and threat. Okay, on people that doesn't even warrant it. Like on issue that doesn't warrant any threat. You can share your opinion. You must not believe what I'm saying. Don't expect people to believe everything you say. Can we understand that? That we have right to say yes and no. If you are hell bent in supporting what I feel that is not supposed to support, what I don't support rather, it simply means that that's your opinion, and I respect you on that. But when you bring threat, threat message and all that, you are making me laugh because one, dibia na go to okodiki and you see comments. Some of them that are here on this platform, they are here not to hear what I'm saying or to see if they can make meaning out of it. And I'm not here to lecture you. We are here sharing idea. I don't see myself as your lecturer because you may be smarter and intelligent more than me. Okay? You just that you don't have chance to do what I'm doing, or maybe you are so busy. I'm giving that privilege. Does not mean that I'm better than you. But don't expect me to feel that you are better than me. Some of them have tried using all manner of tricks to know one, what is my set of origin, what is my Igbo-ness. Some actually went as far as saying that I look like a Fulani, that there's nothing different between me and Yoruba, that I look like a Yoruba person, that how sure are we that you are an Igbo? They are saying that not because they know that I'm not Igbo. They understand that I'm an Igbo. But the main primary purpose of saying that is for me to say, oh, I am Igbo. Right? My village is A, my village is B. You put the brain, in the other one. Deadly people. Deadly people. You see, when I say that we have seen this in the past, I'm not joking. One of the things that Biafrans accuse DOS and their leader, I don't want to start mentioning names from DOS now, so that it will not be as I am making this video to attack DOS. No. One of the reasons why people are very, very, um, careful with them is the way they threaten lives. Some of them threaten, they don't just threat, they threat and execute. And most of them have invaded this current Biafra movement. The invention of DOS departing from their hideout and infiltrate in the current movement of Biafra is not a rumor. It is real. And some of them are here. What they do is to dig out information and if you go to some of the commanders on social media, if you go to their platform and read what they say, they are very good in threatening lives. We'll do this, we'll do that, we'll send the judgment, we'll send even those in the cabinet, former ministers and Nkere, projectors, they are doing the same thing. What they have in common is threatening. Now, why I'm hammering on this threatening is because I've gone to some of other media platforms. I've seen how they threaten them as well. It's not as if anybody is telling you don't threat you. Life is not in your hands. It is in the hands of the God who creates lives. It's not you. You may see, oh, tomorrow I'm gonna buy. Let me tell you, there's one man that said to write a book on how to live long. On his process of writing that book, he couldn't make it to even launch that book. He died. Oye went to Ghana. He will you got what if never. Now this person here, should I start from her? Let me see. Okay, let me start with her. She said, are you saying PM will not come out? I will unfollow this page. telling me from the video that the last video before this very one, that what I'm saying to her in her own understanding is that I'm saying that PM will not come out. What did I say that warrant this comment? Go and watch the video back. Did I ever mention that PM is not coming back? I said that coming out to tell that PM lawyer said this, said that, said this, without proudly come on camera to say it, knowing fully well that nobody will post threat on her, that it is very, very funny. Do you understand? It is very, very funny. And if PM is to send this kind of message for people to unite, the message should have gone to people who refuse to unite with Nkere, not the Nkere group. Just for example now, you are having issue with your sister as a woman, or you say even as a brother. You are okay. You are having issue with one of your siblings, and that your siblings believe that because he's your elder, that you must follow what he or she wants. And he said, no, I don't think we have different ideology, and you're a suspect to me. I believe that my predicament comes from you. We cannot further ahead until you take an oath to prove to me that you are not what I said that you are, and that your siblings refuse to take an oath or to prove anything. Everything you did not only mention your predicament, but you highlighted other things that make you to suspect him or her. Then he refused to clear the air on that. He refused to debunk it. Then your father from afar decided to make peace with you and your sibling, and that one of your siblings, and he want to send a message of unity. Do you think that message should go to you or to your sibling? You are the one accusing your sibling. No? You are accusing your sibling that he have done this, he have done that, and he refused to debunk any of them. Then your father, hearing that thing from afar, decided to send a message across. Okay, let me say he decided to put a call across, because now you can call because of phone, digital, digital. We are now in digital world, not like then olden days that you can send the letter and all that. So if your father want to place a call, do you think that your father will call you first or before, or that your siblings? The peace should be in the hands of who? They should consult, because you are the one agitating that this your sibling have committed something. This your siblings is causing you harm. You are suspecting that your sibling, because of one thing or another, your sibling don't have anything to accuse you. Rather, the only complaint that he has is that you are destroying his name, that you are accusing him that he is not. That the reason why you are accusing him because of one of your uncle that is brainwashing you, or some of your friends is brainwashing you. If your father wants to make peace, he should focus on you that are suspecting your brother, that your brother or your sister is this or that. Message should not just go straight to your brother or your sibling that you are suspecting, because he believed that he has not changed anything. He's here. It's only you that is accusing him that he have done this, I have done that, with facts and figure. You have evidence. That is why he couldn't defend himself. He couldn't debunk it because he don't know where to start debunking it. So if your father want to make peace, he should focus more on you, to talk sense to you and to tell you, okay, calm down. This you're suspicious on your brother. I will look into it. I will deal with it. Give me time. Go back home and always report to me if there's any issue. But give me time, you're going to hear from me. I will make you happy. I will make your brother happy. All of you will unite together because you guys are siblings. Don't worry. It is now in my court. I'll be the one to take responsibilities and full charge of everything. Making peace. But if your father decide to call your brother, that's your brother, secretly, and send message to that your brother to go and tell you, the same brother you are doubting of, to go and tell you that he's have message for you, that you should do this and do that. How do you think as a father, if you are the father, how do you think that this message that you are passing, that your child, who happen to be you, we accept a message from the same people that you are suspecting? I mean, why is it difficult for us to understand this kind of thing? Anyway, that is not to say that PM will not come out and said, look, COS, go back to the cabinet. Let us see how we can make peace with these people. We don't want to, we need unity. I expect that. I'm not saying it. I expect that. But where I will raise my eyebrow is when if PM comes out and said, go back, let us unite again in Biafran government and together with all the former cabinet, and from henceforth nobody should attack anybody. If I see that you are off, I expect that. But the problem that I will have with that is EPM refuse to question some of the things that people are saying. And that's the way I would say, I'm not going to attack PMO, but I will be like, wow. You understand? Wow, that I did not expect that. I'm not saying that I should go attack PM. No, I'm not attacking him because he may know the reason why he did that. And as a leader that I trust, I will trust on his judgment. Do you understand it now? So don't see that it's only you, some of you, that feel that what I'm saying is because I'm saying it because you are in a COS armpit. Oh, if you follow my message very, very carefully without any sentiment, you wouldn't have any problem with what I'm saying. Because I saw a comment also. I don't know if I saved it here because I have, some of the comments that we're going to go through on this video. But I saw a comment. Why I'm saying that, because I don't know if I saved that particular comment, saying that that I always say that I want to make a common sense, not common sense, that I'm not. How did he even put it? That I'm not a member. Yeah, that I'm not a member. That I'm only saying saying this because I am a concerned citizen, something like that. But at the end of it all, I will start siding one group. Whatever I say, you will also feel the same, that I'm siding group, as long as it's not your group that you want. Because you can't have time to reason if I'm siding any group or not, because you are highly sentimental. You want to be on the side of that you want to be, not that you want to follow the truth. So she said that she's gonna unfollow me, this lady. Okay, no problem. Soldier come, soldier go. Brother, I will wait for you till PM comes out. So are you not ashamed of your reasoning? Just remember, we are keeping all your records. Don't worry, don't apply your common sense to reason properly. Time will tell. Threaten. If you say you're keeping record of what I'm saying, good and fine, keep the record. Do you understand? But telling me that don't worry, don't apply your common sense reason properly. So you actually believe that I have common sense at all to apply in the first place. But your issue is, how do I apply it to be proper to you? By what? By limiting that sense, that common sense, by not saying it the way it should be. You think I can come here and be more brutal and be shouting and tearing everywhere apart? I can do that, but what will they profit me? What will I gain from that? You really think that I hate you, I want to provoke you? Is that what you see? Because you are not honest. If you are honest, you see that I'm choosing my words honestly. Another person said this. This one is Levinus. He said, they have used your coconut head to drink Gary, bro. Simon Ekpa told you that Biafra government in exile will be dissolved immediately. America, United Nations, and other international bodies start recognizing Biafra. Oga, my question to you is, has America recognized Biafra? Has United Nations recognized Biafra? So why is he a hurry to why is what you want to say is why is she in a hurry to dissolve it? Um, why is she in a hurry to dissolve the government? Ngozi Orebeze is still part of today PM attorney in America and Finland, MP lobbies, Biafra Liberation Army, Ambazona, Iridian government, etc., all in one page. Why only Ngozi Orebeze are gullible like you believe in Ngozi government? You see, you still don't get it. Whether Ngozi Orebeze government, whether CS, government, whether even you that is commenting your own government, truth is always the truth. Dissolving the cabinet is not even an issue to me. My concern is how can you declare Biafra after declaring Biafra and you now telling us that those former government, or that's even the same cabinet, should not bother about account or anything or whatsoever. And you are part of people that declare Biafra. It's not as if you are agitating about it. You have declared Biafra, then you now fall back to bridge Biafra government in exile. Then what is USB then? What's USB? Then you claimed that dissolving the cabinet is an issue. The question to you, was there any time PM had cabinet to facilitate transition government of new cabinet? Yes or no? Because that's what we're told. Now, if you say no, that's not like that. Okay, why this subordination? Why this subordination? Do you see Nkere, Sona Parawa, who happen to be more vocal than Nkere? Yes, Nkere being a leader. Do you see Sona Parawa and rest of them respecting the office of CS? It should be a thing of worry to you that the government that you cherish and you love, you hope that they're gonna make it started with insubordination, which is one of the things that put Nigeria where it is today. If you don't like an individual in the office, respect the office first. That's what other countries do to survive. You may not like PM as a prime minister. Respect the office of PM first as a prime minister. You see, your own is that you focus on the individual. You delete anything about the government that you're talking about. You delete everything about the person. But the government that you're talking about, you cherish that government, right? You are part and parcel of the government. But the COS of that government is a taboo to you. And you want to tell me what? Now, he said that his father's brain, coconut head, had been used to drink Nkere. Maybe in that village they use human brain to drink Nkere. We don't do that from where I come from. Okay, he said the other person said, let me open this. He said, arrange video. Ngozi is not following PM Foundation in in the Biafran charter, another this charter. Why not talking against DPM Ngozi? If you tell me to talk against Ngozi Orebeze, give me that thing that you want me to talk about. If I am in her position, I may not do what she did, but will I be angry with those who hate me? Very, very, very much. More angry than she is. I may not, I may look for another way. I may fight differently. That should be the word. I may fight differently, but that does not mean that I'm not going to touch the way that she's fighting. I may even add more volume. One of the things you need to understand is that she had been with them in the cabinet for years, and she know who is who. Don't get it twisted. So this guy that one of you guys said that I always say don't get it twisted, but I am here to twist every word. How am I twisting word when I point out the reason and the issue at hand? How is it a twisting word? What did I say that I'm twisting word? But I don't want to move from what I was saying. You cannot pretend that COS don't know these people more than you do. You only see them when they're on camera and record video and send, or when they are on space. But in a week, in a month, COS sit down with them in a Zoom meeting and exchange communication day by day as cabinet member. Information and decision are ongoing in the cabinet. They are the ones discussing about it, having constant contact communication, knowing each other more. Or how do you think how is it normal to you that everybody we talk can have issue with CS? Then Biafrans that are not in the cabinet see COS because we are seeing everything that's playing outside. But CS have more people that love her outside the cabinet than those that non people in the cabinet that claim they love her. They may be minor, okay, but the way they commit nuisance in the name of talking about CS is shocking. And remember, she's a woman. If you tell me with evidence, this is what CS have done, this is the evidence, sabotaging, like they say she's a Nigerian agent. Until this day, no evidence. What the same thing that we were against on DOS, calling PM agent of Tinubu, agent of P2B, agent of Nigeria, agent of Musa, agent of Malami, agent of Omai, agent of who again? Lai Mohammed, agent of the list go on and on. At the same time, the same group will be calling the same people that PM is the agent to go and arrest him. Deport, bring him back. Your agent, if you have agent, for example, maybe let's assume that you are living somewhere in Spain and you have agent that's giving you information and working for you there in let's say in US, and this your agent is doing your bidding, and your enemy, some people who say they're your enemy, that they want you to they don't want anything about it. They're saying it publicly. Then those your friends, those your enemies rather, they are the ones celebrating that you are celebrating that you that have agent, that you are going to deal with that your agent. They will still come back shouting that, oh, he's your agent, he's your agent. When they want to punish your agent, they will fall back to you to go and punish your agent. No evidence. The evidence they are bringing is waiting to hear any mistake. Did she say inequality or equality or inequality? Okay, let's not run with it. That's evidence. That is weak. If you have that authentic evidence against her, you think I will be here telling you, oh, CS is best? No. If truly we see that she is agent that you said, then you hear from us immediately. Now, I for one, I don't like anything, blackmail. Also, if you know me, I don't like it. Some of you don't understand it. When people decided to speak for PM or support him, it's because the blackmail were too much. And they bragged that they're going to deal with people on social media. They're going to deal with him. He's going to vanish in 1 day, 2 days. People say, okay, since that is what you want, let us go there. And that's what happened. So don't think that people are not keeping record of what GS have what they have done. People are aware of it. Just that anyway, another comment that I'm trying to bring to you is this comment. Let me open it first. Okay, just a moment. Okay, this person said, Kai, I hope you know that all this your trash, we are keeping it. We anti. I don't even made a want to type I said anti. We are keeping the record. You are going to end up in shame. Yeah, well, no money, I get end up in shame. I have responded to him already because as you, that shame comes out from your mouth, so shall shame follow you. Whether you like it or not, bro. I don't have it. I don't even remember who you are. I don't know you. I don't talk to you. And you choose to use the word shame. It shall follow you. Kai, another person said, why are you always twisting everything they said? And also tell us not to get it twisted. I suspect you. First thing you used to do is to first thing you used to do is to defend yourself against what I am seeing that you are doing. You are always and not pure. Okay, I'm not pure. But we know you. We know you all and we monitor your actions. But don't worry, the truth will take its place soon. Mark my words. Do you understand what I said? First of all, you said I always defend myself. Who wouldn't defend himself? You have to defend yourself. That's what makes you a human being. Okay, you want me to say, yeah, please, should I stand or sit down? No, no, no. It's my duty to defend myself. You can't call me, you can't say that I accept money from DS, from CS, or that I'm a Nigerian agent, or that I am this and that. DOS used to say the same thing. You're going to hear from us. We are monitor you. We say, this is not the first time. Very soon, you will still repeat because you guys are using DOS template. Let's say you start using div video. That's this software to create fake, you know, to make somebody to say what he did not say. You use that to bring one or two things that I said or anybody said just to blackmail. We know that it is written that you will do it. This is what this guy is saying here. Now, you tell me, when did I become enemy to you? As in what? What did I twist? You will not. None of them will answer that. What is it that I twisted? Is it that they asked Nkere to give account? Am I the one that initiated that statement? Has he even come out to say anything about it apart from those who are representing him? PM was accused of um, taking loan, right? They did not end there. He was also accused of collecting money from what is this guy name in the prison in UK? Senator. Someone should remind me of conversation. From Enugu State. What's the name of that man that has an issue that's in prison now in UK? They accuse PM that man is one that purchased his laptop. Even Ucheti repeated it recently. That since I don't know how this name skipped my mind. Let me continue. Maybe if I remember it before the end of the video, I will say it. Former Senate President, okay, from Enugu State, that he is the one that went to Germany to eat yam. Ike Kweremadu. There you go. Ike Kweremadu. He was the one, according to them, that was financing PM. Did PM debunk that? Yes, of course. He did. Everything they accused PM at some point debunked all of them. And debunking them and bringing their own issue with evidence, that knocked thousands of people that decided to fight one man out. Because our people always follow the truth. You feel like a Korea Romondo Campo. And one of them, out of desperation to know where I come from, a few weeks ago, one of them jumped on my comment section and started saying that you are from Delta, that you guys from that Delta people. I know what you want to do. You are so eager to know my state of origin. So that you are going to start planting your investigation. Where did it come from? You are targeting who to buy and who to kidnap. Yet you are fighting for freedom. What is the difference between you and those holding your freedom? Have you ever asked yourself that question? What is different between you and those holding that freedom that you want to free yourself from? See, if not that God have a way of doing His own thing, and for the sake of the righteous one, upright people that are with us, or from Igbo land, some of you don't deserve anything good. I'm being honest, because your own is to what to do, how to buy, what to say, how to annihilate. This guy said, Kai, why are you always twisting everything they said and also tell us not to get it twisted? I suspect you. First thing you used to do is to defend yourself against what I am saying that you are doing. You are always not pure, but we know you all and we monitor your actions. But don't worry, the truth will make it, we will take its place soon. Mark my word. In the freedom movement. Yeah. Kai, another person. I hope you know that all this your trash, we are keeping the record. For you, we are giving the record, you are going to end in shame. Okay, I have responded to this one. I think this is the same person here. Okay. So my people, these are comment few of the comment that I try to, you know, bring forward so that you will follow me and read it and see it. I'm gonna post this on my community so that you can read it there. Threat after threat after threat after threat for not being a member, for not being in cabinet in decision making of IPPO or Biafran government in ESA, for not even threatening anyone or calling for any violence, for not supporting violence, for saying that this thing they are doing is going to end up the way we don't, that the way that may not favor our people. Not me. It's not about me. If you think that, oh, you should be there, you should be here, you should be this, mass number of Ghana's PM is the freedom fighters, people who are doing what you need, not what you want. You need freedom. You may need it, but you don't know that you need it. You may want money, but you need freedom also. Your money is useless without your freedom. Your enemy will be the one managing your money for you. But when you have freedom and have money, then imagine what you can do with that. What you are going through today, your children may go through it if care is not taken. God forbid that it will happen to our people. You see, learn to understand that shedding of blood is evil. Rally around the people that God has given to you to fight for you, to give you freedom. Don't expect miracle to occur from those who want to make everything, all the effort of these two individuals, two leaders, Master Mekan and PM, don't make their effort to be useless because of your quest to enrich yourself. My boy, I have to end this video now because I noticed that it's too long already. So before you go, like this video and subscribe to the channel if you're new, and God bless you. Don't forget to always like the video, not only this one. See you again. Bye bye for now.